The back Deadcast Cardsman 8 and Tori Greenlight Deadcast Cards Hunter. We're pronounced. When I sit down, I'm gonna post on both my channel, YouTube channel, and card call. Not because that's only helpful lady. So yeah. But yeah. I'm gonna open this. Sounds crazy, but look the information on the back. So yeah. Remember, kids, do not try this at home. Only adults. So yeah, we don't need any harm in this world. Just good things. So yeah. You guys don't see me, you cannot see me open it, but yeah. It's too late. I already opened it. It's fine. I'll get extra one. I got it in my mind. One couple more. One card in the middle. But yeah. If I get an extra one, that's gonna stay carded. But yeah, this one. But I like the stuff inside of it. It looks cool. What guys thoughts on this video? Like, comment, and let's see if this video could get 25 likes to like it. I'm gonna tell you, there's no big features on this vehicle, sadly. But honestly, my own opinion, honestly, it could be. And my nails are not that sharp. So yeah, I'll get updates every maybe think on it. But yeah, I bought it so I could show you guys and do a video on it. So yeah. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on notifications and comment below. Then watch my 2 videos. Hard count and Tori Greenlight Diecast Cards Hunter and Diecast Cards Mate. And I'll see you guys.